4 to 5 feet. Tuesday, east winds less than 10 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Tuesday night, east winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Wednesday, east winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Wednesday night, east winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet. Thursday, east winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 6 to 9 feet. Thursday night, east winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 7 to 10 feet. POC Command Duty Officer //SLT WEACEN Norfolk, Virginia LOC Norfolk, Virginia /TEL 7572-444-7583 /email USN Norfolk SLEWEACEN NOR SOLKVA NDX CDO at US Navy //RM KSF CNT 32KNHC 1302270 FF N21 Marine Weather HF Voice Broadcast National Weather Service National Hurricane Center Miami Florida 10:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Saturday, October 12, 2024. Marine Weather HF Voice broadcast for the Gulf of Mexico. Seas given a significant wave height, which is the average height of the highest one-third of the waves. Individual waves may be more than twice the significant wave height. Synopsis: gentle to moderate breezes and slight to moderate seas will persist through the early part of next week. Looking ahead, a cold front is expected to move into the northern Gulf late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning, followed by fresh to strong north to northeast winds and building seas. Gulf of Mexico, north of 26 north, west of 87 west. Overnight, east winds 10 to 15 knots, seas 3 to 4 feet. Sunday, east winds less than 10 knots, seas 3 to 4 feet. Sunday night, east winds less than 10 knots, seas 3 to 4 feet. Monday,